Marcel M. Gallo. This is the argumentative essay titled Cebu Flood Caused by Human Activity. Issue: Environmental degradation in Cebu coastal areas. Cebu coastal resources including coral reef, mangroves, and marine waterways. Degradation due to human activities leading to decreased fisheries and tourism potential. This degradation emphasizes the need for integrated coastal management. Claim: Human activities that are the primary driver of coastal degradation. Human activities such as overfishing, destructive fishing methods, and habitat conversion are the land reclam project also contribute to environmental costs including damage to coral and externalities from landfill quarrying. Argument: unsustainable practices lead to long-term environmental and economic losses. The long-term consequences of these unsustainable practices include loss of reduced fisheries productivity, decreased fisheries revenue, and decreased vulnerability is constant hazards.